Virtual reality, the technology that is nothing short of a miracle, has been out to the masses for a couple of years now. The latest addition to this field has recently been released by Apple. It's called the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is a package that contains every major research that has been done in the field of virtual reality into one device. Apple also created its first virtual reality operating system that has all the new features built in right out of the box. The result is a sleek device that simplifies daily tasks and connects seamlessly to the Apple ecosystem. As we all know, Apple has always focused on user interactions and user experience while creating their devices. They always try to make it easier for people to do daily tasks and use their devices without thinking too much about the technology that facilitates it. The Apple Vision Pro is no different. From completely getting rid of the controllers that other VR devices have relied on in the past few years, to adding a highly reliable environment tracking that allows users to place virtual objects in the real world, the Apple Vision Pro tries to open the use of complex technology to its public audience, albeit in a simple manner. Since its inception in the 1960s, virtual reality devices have always been used for gaming, computer vision, or sometimes healthcare. This went on for years, with constant improvements in the field of computer graphics, which made games and virtual objects look more like real life than what was previously possible. The devices evolved from needing to tether to a desktop computer to running its operating system using Android. There is a paradigm shift in how VR devices are used. Besides being used for gaming and computer vision, it is now also being used to improve quality of life. Apple's primary vision is to integrate VR into the daily lives of people. The way they do this is by building their operating system, which has utility apps like the calendar and weather apps built right into the operating system. Their device also tracks your eye pupils when you put on the headset. This eye tracking technology is used to figure out which UI elements the users are looking at. This way, they can select stuff in virtual reality. Apple products have always worked well with other devices in the Apple ecosystem, and the Apple Vision Pro is not shy of this feature. It was released with a staggering price tag of $3,499 USD. Despite the limited demand due to their price tag, the company has sold 200,000 units since the device became available for pre-order on January 19th. Apple is also taking steps behind the scenes to address the metaverse goal of bringing the real and digital worlds closer together. What do you think about the Apple Vision Pro? Do you think it will stay for the long run and potentially come up with a new iteration? Let us know in the comments below.